June 2007, Core 4, Question 5, our implicit differentiation one. The first thing we're asked to do is put in the value here. So we've got the x equals 1 value and the y equals a value. Some people actually used this answer and dropped it in, and they didn't get any marks for doing that. So we're going through here. So instead of a y, we're putting a. Instead of an x, we're putting 1. Instead of a x, we're putting 1. Instead of a y, we're putting a. Look at that, quadratic. So we got 5a squared minus a minus 4. Factorise that, we get 5a minus 4 and a plus 1. And is that the right way? That's around the wrong way, isn't it? Minus 4, plus 4 there, and minus a there. And so we get two answers. Either a is minus 4/5, or a is equal to 1. This one here, not possible. Why not? Because it said a is greater than 0. So you get 2 marks just for solving that good old Core 1 quadratic. Here's the big bit, 7 marks to actually try and differentiate this thing. So let's take for each thing in turn. The y goes to the dy by dx, and the 4x simply goes to a 4. Now the other side, we've got a product to do. We've got 5x squared, and we've got y squared. If we differentiate this one, just normally, we're going to get 10x. And if we differentiate this one, now y squared goes to 2y, but you've also got to add the dy by dx next to it. So now put these together, we've got 10xy squared plus these two times together. 5 times 2 is another 10, x squared y dy by dx. And so that's what we get when we differentiate it. We could go ahead and rearrange this to get dy all on its own, or we could just actually say, look, at this point P, x is 1 and y is 1. So I get dy by dx plus 4. And what do we got? We got 10 times 1 times 1, well that's 10. And 10 times 1 times 1 times 1, well that's just 10. So we've got that. Let's take dy by dx from both sides. Then we get 9 of them. And then take away 10 from both sides. So we get minus 6 here. Finally, divide both sides by 9. And so we get y is equal to minus 2/3. That was 7 marks there. There's then a nice giveaway mark at the end there. Find the equation of the tangent. And of course, equations of tangents are y, take away the y number. The y number we kept using was 1, equals gradient. Is it normal or tangent? Tangent. So it is just that number there. Gradient, x, take away the x number. It's only 1 mark, so just leave it like that. Mark scheme. Lots of marks for doing that product rule there. It says here no marks for just substituting in the 1, 1 at the beginning, like I mentioned. Both marks for just finding the equation.